Can we know who visits your Instagram profile? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can know who is visiting your profile on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the direct answer is Instagram does not provide a feature to see any list of users who have visited your profile. So yeah, while you can see who has viewed your story and other your posts, you cannot know who has viewed your profile. So also there is no trusted, legitimate third-party apps or services that provide this information as well. So what you can do that instead will let you know how many people have been visiting your profile is change your account into professional mode. For that, open up your Insta, head over to the top lines here on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, scroll down, and after you scroll down there you'll see an option that says account types and tools. Tap on switch to professional account and then go through with this process. After you switch account to a professional one, I'll show you what happens. You'll get this professional dashboard. This is another account, but yeah, this is the professional dashboard which you can tap, and you'll see how many views you get, how many interactions you have, and every other minor details. So those are the only things that you can get on Instagram. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.